Hey folks, I made it. Come walk with your boy. Welcome to Walk and Talk with your boy Todd. We got beach rules and regulations. Your boy made it to the beach finally. Uh-oh. Boy can't walk in the sand, y'all. Your boy struggling. Y'all know what? Man, I have to go back and get my chair. I think I'm gonna sit. You know what? On debate. Doing something different, folks. Welcome to Walk and Talk with your boy Todd at Jack's Beach. They say Jack's is the Bangum. So this how the Bangum look, y'all. Families relax. Families chilling. Got beach rules and regulations. Your boy gonna get it on today. It's all about health and fitness. Oh, I got to mark my marker. Okay. I'm right there. Oh, green flag. Okay. Because I'm a walk and I didn't want to get lost. I'm just gonna walk. Don't want to get lost. So thank y'all for coming with me. Thank y'all for tuning in. Your boy made it to the beach. Y'all know we got people up in New York. When it's on Facebook, New York, my #1 feed on Facebook. We got people tuning in from all over the world. Just want y'all to tune in and relax. Oh, y'all don't want to see me. Y'all want to see the beach. Bye. Okay. Yo, your boy Marker is the green flag. I gotta tell myself that. I might even get in the water a little later. So tune in. Your boy got his trunks on. Your boy might get in. But I'm debating. The water's nice and clear. Clean. Uh-oh. And cold. Folks, the water cold. Folks, water cold. The water cold, man. The water is cold. Well, it was 60 degrees this morning. It wasn't 80, 90, 100, 60. So when I come out here next time out, but your boy got his water shoes on. I bought water shoes. I got water shoes on from, guess where I bought them from? 5 and Below, baby. So go to 5 and Below. All right? Get those water shoes. Oh, you know what? The longer you stay in the water, the better. Feels a little better now. Folks, Walk and Talk with Todd is all about health and fitness. Mental health. Today is a mental health day. Mental health as well as physical health. Your boy getting his mental health on today. Stay tuned I told y'all, stay tuned each and every day with your boy. I got to go live on a couple other platforms. I promised the people I'll show them the beach today. Birds don't run away from you no more, people. I know y'all don't want to see me, so I'll just talk and walk. Walk and talk. What's up, homie? I ain't got no food. I ain't bring no food. Birds want to eat. See what they do, they get close by and they hope to catch one of those little fish coming up. See those fish right there? I don't know if you saw them, see? I don't know if you saw them or not. See those? Oh, that's not a fish. And they catch them and eat them. But yeah, people, Walk and Talk with Todd is all about health and fitness. Today, he getting his mental health on. Ain't nothing like the beach, people. I got that beach water hitting my feet. Check this out. When I first did it, it was cold. Guess what? Now it's warm. The longer you stay in the water, the warmer it gets. See the fish? Let me try to see the little fish. Y'all see the fish? Like little sardines. Little sardine fish. They just, they be going. They be on the go. But I'm going to go all the way to the pier. I think they charge. Do they let you on the pier? I don't think they let you on the pier anymore. They charge $10 or something like that. But I'll walk all the way I can to the free portion of it. If it is a free portion. But this is what we doing today, folks. See the babies running around? That's what it's all about, people. Health and fitness. Health and fitness. And for those of you that don't know, if you got a sore on your body, if you got any aches or pains, if you sit in this water, it'll heal you. Salt water will heal you. So if you got sore, when we were kids, we used to come to the beach. Back in the day, I went to Fernandina Beach, America Beach, which was the first black beach. Folks, I got to go up here because there's got my water shoes on. Y'all like that? Get you some water shoes from 5 and Below. 5 and Below, give me a plug. Give me a sponsorship. I hope this look okay. It's my first time at the beach this year. Folks, that sun hitting, your boy starting to sweat. That means the tank top needs to come off. We got nice waves. See those nice waves? Any surfers? That's a nice wave. See how those waves are crashing? Let's have a nice Zen moment right now. Breathe in through your nose, 5 seconds. Breathe out through your mouth, 5 seconds. As you look at the waves, breathe in through your nose, 5 seconds. Some of you don't realize you're not breathing. Breathe in through your nose, 5 seconds, and breathe out through your mouth, 5 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Your boy got to take his shirt off because it is getting hot. Your boy finna strip. Y'all can't watch the strip part. head back. The boy just stripped. Y'all don't want to see me. Y'all want to see the water. I'll show y'all the water. The boy had to take that tank top off. Folks, y'all might want to tune into me every day. Every day I might be right here at the beach. Your boy is sold. And I'm only about 20, probably 20 miles away from the beach. So 20 minutes away from the beach. So I don't have to go that far. About 15 to 20 minutes away from the beach. Whoa, that dude swimming. Whoa. That dude swimming away. What the? Man, they got the lifeguards out here. Hey, y'all, it's a moment. It's a guy out there swimming. Is the lifeguards? What in the? You don't go out that far, people. Oh, heck no. That joker. He must be a SEAL. He must be a Navy SEAL, man. Okay, I see the truck pulling up. They might be coming to get him. Oh, no. No. They're not coming to get him? Guess we got to keep an eye on this guy, y'all. Y'all want to keep an eye on him, make sure he make it in? Just in case I have to put this phone down and dial 911. Man, there ain't no way. Wait a minute, is somebody else out there too? It look like he's making it. He's making it. Well, he's gonna be wore out when he get it. Okay, now the waves got him. He good now. Boy, he had me nervous. You do know sharks can swim up to that point, right? No. Not your boy. Not your boy. Not swimming out. And I can swim. But your boy gonna swim in his pool. Y'all will see me swim later, but I'm gonna swim in the pool. I'm not swimming in this. Now I'm gonna lay in it, but I ain't gonna swim in it. No, your boy wanna keep his arms. He wanna keep his legs. See, I wanna keep my legs. I wanna keep all my body parts. Nah. Hey, there he is. He made it, y'all. He made it. He made it to safety. Man. No. Your boy, hey. Your boy not swimming out that far. No way. No way, folks. On my way back, I'm gonna go live on Facebook. I should go live on I'm gonna go live on YouTube. Oh, I'm supposed to go live on TikTok too. Look at those fish. See those little fish? This is what it's all about, people. Relaxing. Relaxing. And if you live right here in Duval, you come right here, man. Same beach as up in Virginia. Same beach as down in Miami. Same water. Just a little clearer in Miami. Well, a lot clearer, but hey, driving all the way down there for what? Come right here to Duval. Driving right here to Duval. And relax. Boy, got his walk on today. Get my walk on. I got my glasses, my shades on. My glasses turn dark. I'm the kind I get the transitions. That's why I get it. So I can see my camera as well as block out that sun. the Ray-Bans, folks. One pair of Ray-Bans, the other pair just my VA subscription. Yeah, I realize VA free. Your boy will be wearing free glasses. That's for me. Folks, I almost made it to the pier. I'm gonna walk up there at the pier. I'm gonna walk up to the pier. I'm gonna walk up to the pier. I think there's a fee. Your boy ain't paying no fees. The beach is free. I'm not fishing, so. Ooh, this water feels good, folks. Remember when I first stepped into it? I was cold. Now it's warm. We're having a good time. See, I'm looking out for the people, looking for shark fin. Tune in each and every day to your boy Walk and Talk with Todd. Hey, I got shirts, folks. Hit that shirt link in my bio. Pick up a shirt from your boy. Be highly appreciated. Did I lock my car door? Oh, hope my car stays safe. Uh-oh, folks. I done came to the wrong area. There's a pool right there. The water got deep on me. So you got to watch out for that. It's not a sinkhole. That's usually where the kids play at. It's a good spot. So you got to be careful. It's not a sinkhole, but your boy would have fell in that water if I didn't know. And the camera would have got messed up, even though it's supposed to be waterproof. Is iPhone 15 waterproof? Somebody tell me in the chat. But yeah, people, that's what I do. That's what I do. Walking along the beach. Walking along the beach. Thank y'all for tuning in each and every day. Your boy got to get his workout on. Hey, I'm putting in that cardio work today. In the sun. Putting in the cardio work. I think we got one of those little lakes. Okay, let me see how deep this gets. Ooh. Can't lie to you, feel good, folks. Hold on, what's that? Oh, Xfinity Assistant. Xfinity, what y'all want? Woo! Your boy walked 3 miles to the pier. Damn, I forgot to set my watch. I don't know how long I walked. I think I'm gonna walk all the way to the end of the beach. I'm gonna walk all the way to Fernandina Beach. I think I'm gonna go ahead and walk all the way to Fernandina Beach, folks. Jacksonville Beach to Fernandina. Hit that like button for your boy. Your boy doing this walk and talk on the beach today. Walk and talk at the beach. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Walk and talk at the beach. Got the pier right there. See the red flags? That's where you don't swim in that area. Anywhere by the pier, you don't film it. You don't swim in. But I'm gonna stop right here, folks. Tune in next time. Click that like button, click thumbs up, and I'll be back in just a moment. Your boy got to find out where he going. Don't laugh at me. Peace. Okay, I think I see a breakaway. Peace. Folk, real quick, I want to show you how I feel to walk in this sand in the Sahara Desert. Your boy struggling. Gotta pick them knees up. Gotta pick them knees up. It's a volleyball court right there. Everybody be out there on the weekend. Okay, your boy making it to. Don't y'all laugh at me. Your boy struggling walking in this sand, the Sahara Desert. I'll be back. Peace. Hey, folk, your boy made it to the surface. Made it off that sand. He going back. Got sea turtle nesting, beach rules and regulations. Your boy made it. Don't laugh at your boy. I'm all the way here in Jamaica, man. I made it, folk. Hey, you gotta get that cardio in. Walking the beach help you get that cardio in. You feel me? Hit that like button, hit the thumbs up, and stay tuned each and every day. All right.
Every single day we're rising to the top, never looking back, we're always on the clock. Got our sights set high, we're chasing all our dreams. Walk and talk with Todd, it's never what it seems. Yeah, I'm breaking back.